when it comes to cybersecurity, which is my major portfolio, we want to make sure that in a cloud security or any cybersecurity, you will hear, right, we can predict this and we can detect this and we can monitor this and whatnot. This is all great, but when we are moving our businesses at the speed of light, what we also want to make sure, I get real-time predictive analytics or real-time analytics rather than, hey, this happened, it happened, and monitoring something that already happened. I mean, thank you for telling me, but it's not really helpful to me to, adapt to the situation, right? So what we are leveraging also is the cloud native services like Snowflake, for example, to do a real-time analytics for the behavior patterns of the customers or our insider threats, because 70% of the world is getting attacked from inside, not outside, right? Most of the problems are, there's this disgruntled employee or employee who just did not knew that person was hacked and is made APT is leveraging from other countries that you would not with the help of these cloud native services. What with the ultimate goal is we want to predict the patterns in a real time so we can adapt or respond rather than respond later, which is nothing but the damage control. SAP is our backbone for a lot of things, right? Especially when we have the native tools that requires the CRM side of the world or financial side of the world, right? We can talk about all the shiny things that we really want to adapt, over the next couple of years to be a cloud native and cloud ready and things like that. At the same time, you have to run the business, and that business is running today. Your bread and butter of the business is coming from your, I wouldn't say legacy, but the core business and core business expansion is obviously relying heavily on SAP. So behind the scene is all SAPs and whatnot, but the front ends, the customized application workloads are customized based on the client needs, because client wants something like, for example, TCS will say, hey, we need a portal that only our employees can access. You cannot put it on the internet, or you can put it on the internet, but then you will have to do a single sign-on with your internal TCS.
Correct.
So we will have to manage a lot in those areas, and those. Recently Amazon came to us and say, manage all our employees 401k. Great, but then they came with certain demands that we have to customize again, right? So at the end of the day, it's a layered approach, but the backbone is usually the mainframe and SAPs.
SAP.